Hi friends, it's Jessie here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. For today's video, I have something a little bit different. Something I haven't really shared on this channel before. Well, I've shared subscription boxes on my channel before, but never one quite like this. This is my Rocksbox for July 2022. So if you are interested in hearing all about Rocksbox and what's in this fun jewelry subscription, just keep on watching. So if you have never heard of Rocksbox before, you're not alone. I had never heard of it either until I started seeing Rocksbox unboxings here on YouTube. Obviously, being a fan of subscription boxes like Stitch Fix, Wantable, that sort of thing, I tend to watch those style videos here on YouTube. I watch YouTube just as much as you guys do, if not more. And so it was a natural progression, I think, to go from watching Stitch Fix unboxings and Wantable unboxings to Rocksbox, which is sort of a jewelry rental subscription. It's kind of unique, interesting, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it today, and then I'm going to show you what is inside my box. So Rocksbox is, as I mentioned, a jewelry rental service, sort of. So you pay, I think it's $21 a month. It's a monthly fee, it's a monthly box, and they send you 3 pieces of jewelry that you can essentially rent, wear all throughout the month, and then when you're tired of it, or you want to try something new, you just mail it back to them. They'll send you something new. So you can go in and select a lot of different pieces and add them to your sort of wish list, and when it comes time for them to mail you a box, they will select 3 of the items. They'll actually shoot you an email, I believe, and tell you what's coming so that you can change it out if you're wanting something a little bit different, or you can just say, yep, that looks great, mail it to me. They'll mail it to you in this super cute box that comes inside a little mailer. Inside are your 3 pieces of jewelry. You can wear them for a special occasion or out and about, or maybe you're just trying a type of jewelry you've never worn before. You want to see if the trend or the style is right for you. Wear it as long as you want and then send it back. So if you decide you want to wear it for just a special occasion, wear it to a wedding or a party or whatever, and that's all you needed it for, you can just mail it back and they'll send you out a new box with 3 pieces. So that $21 that you pay for the month can get you a chance to try actually a lot of different jewelry, depending on how quick your turnaround is, how quickly you send it back, how quickly they send you a piece. And also, if you fall in love with something, you really like it, you decide you want to add it to your permanent jewelry collection, you can purchase the item. A lot of the items from Rocksbox actually are available at a little bit of a discounted rate, and your $21 that you paid for that rental fee goes toward that item that you purchase. So now if you don't decide to purchase anything, that $21 is just like your rental fee for the month, and that same day the following month they'll charge you again. But if you decide to buy something, that $21 goes to it. I don't know if I'm doing a really good job of explaining it or not. It's a brand new concept for me. I'm just kind of figuring it out. But like I said, I've seen some unboxings. You guys know I love a good clothing subscription box. I love trying out new clothing pieces. I got a lot of clothes. But what I don't have a lot of is jewelry. You guys see this little jewelry box behind me? I'm gonna tell you, it's mostly empty. There's just not a lot of jewelry in my collection. I don't really know what my style is, and so I thought this would be fun to try out, and so I did. This arrived, I've had it sitting here actually for a few days unopened, so I'm really excited to open it up and see what all of these pieces look like inside. But first of all, look at how cute that box is. Isn't that beautiful? And you open it up, and inside there's a little welcome pamphlet. Here it says, welcome to the family. Look inside for tips to make the most of your membership. Some common questions. Let's see. How do I return and exchange my Rocksbox set? Returning your Rocksbox set is easy. Whenever you're ready to refresh your set, simply put only the items that you don't wish to purchase in your Rocksbox box, so right back in this box. Place your Rocksbox box in the reusable envelope it came in and apply the prepaid return envelope, or return label rather, that's inside your box underneath the tissue and jewelry. So in here is my return label. You can just drop it into a mailbox. It'll go back to Rocksbox, and once they receive it, they'll send you out another set with 3 pieces. So seems like it's really cool. I will have a link for Rocksbox down below. If you use my link, I believe I get a $25 credit to use towards Rocksbox. So, you know, if this is something you're interested in, you want to try it out, that link is there for you guys. I'd appreciate it if you'd use it. And let me just go ahead, stop yammering about how Rocksbox works and talk about what's inside. So there's a little card here. It says, "Hey gorgeous," so sweet. And on the back is jewelry care. So this talks about tips for proper jewelry care, for genuine gold and silver plated items, demi-fine jewelry care, that sort of thing. So that's that. And then there's a little tissue paper. It says "hi" on that little sticker, and inside are the little pouches with the jewelry. So here we have the 3 pieces of jewelry that I was sent here, and there's also just a little thing here with the pricing information in case I want to buy anything, and then on the back of that is the little return label. So I'm gonna kind of set this off to the side and give you guys a look at the items. So this first item comes in this little dust jacket here. It says Dusk, so I'm assuming that's going to be the designer, and it is the Dusk Cosmo Star Studs in gold. So I selected these because I put these on my wish list because I don't have a lot of experience with a lot of like big heavy statement jewelry, so I knew I wanted something small but something kind of beyond a stud. So here are what those items look like. I'm sure that these little close-ups I'm doing are not doing them justice, so I'll try to get some footage of them. But they're just these super adorable little gold star studs. They don't look like they're too large. They're 14 karat gold and silver plated, one-of-a-kind hand-set gemstones, it says. So I think these are really cute. Just super adorable little gold star studs. I think those would have been perfect for 4th of July. I'm a little late, I guess, in getting these, but I think those will look super cute. So that's the first item. Here's item number 2. So let's see what we have here. This is so exciting. It's like Christmas. Okay, so this item I put on my wish list because this is something I wouldn't, I think, buy for myself, but I think it could be a lot of fun for the summer. And that's what I like about this Rocksbox idea, is it's gonna allow me to try out different jewelry trends without committing to anything. Like if I wanted to buy this necklace, it would be $46, and that's the member price. I forgot to tell you, the star studs are also $46, and that is the member price. The retail price on those stars is $55, as is this little necklace here. And let me show you what it looks like. It is just the super cute little starfish. And again, I don't know how well it's focusing. I'll try to pop in some B-roll and show you what that looks like. But this is so cute. It's just a little dainty jewelry piece that, like I said, I don't know that I would buy necessarily for myself because, you know, it's got that blue color in it, so it's not necessarily going to match everything, and it's pretty, I would say, summer specific, but this allows me to give it a try, wear it for a couple of weeks here in the summertime, and then I can send it back and, you know, then get another piece sent to me in its place. So that is the second item in my Rocksbox. And third, I love how everything comes in its own little dust bag. So cute. I have one more necklace, and this one is just in a little plastic bag. This is by the brand Rudiment, and it is called the Ritz Layered Necklace in gold. The retail price is $65. The member price is $55. So if I wanted to keep this, my $21 would go towards it, and I would just pay the difference to up to that $55 price tag. So this is what that necklace looks like. And it is just a 2-layered necklace here. Again, my camera's having a really hard time focusing. There you can kind of see it. And it's just got the little paper clip style necklace here and then a simple gold chain. It's a little bit shorter, so it's going to come up a little bit higher on the neck. But I think that this is so pretty, so delicate and dainty. This is right up my alley. This is my style. This is something that I would definitely consider purchasing. But with Rocksbox, it allows me to try it out, see if I like it, see the quality of the pieces, and then I can always make the purchase if I think it's something that I will wear a ton. I love the concept of layered necklaces, but they always get tangled on me. So this is a good way to kind of test it out and see how well it'll work and if it gets tangled. So I'm actually gonna pop these pieces of jewelry on all together, I think, and then I'll come back and show you what that looks like. So I think all of these pieces layer really beautiful together. I could wear them all at once or individually. I love the way this little starfish looks layered with the layer necklace, and it is adjustable, so I can make it a little bit shorter or a little bit longer, but that is my set. Now, if I wanted to buy all 3 pieces, say I got everything in the mail, I fell in love with every single piece, and I wanted to add them to my permanent jewelry collection. If you buy all 3 pieces, in addition to taking that $21 rental fee off of the top of that, they also give you $10 off the set. So, you know, if I wanted to buy everything, my subtotal would be $147 for the 3 pieces. That's the member price. Then I have $21, which was the fee I paid to get the box, right? You call it your styling fee, call it your rental fee, whatever you want. So that would come off the top. I do have a $5 forever credit. So they have different things you can do, updating your profile, creating a wish list, that sort of thing, that you can earn credits that don't go away. So while your monthly credit at the end of the month goes away, if you don't use it towards a purchase, the forever credit lasts forever until you're ready to use it. So I have $5 there. The buy all 3 discount would take $10 off. So the subtotal of discounts would be $64. So that's how much it would come off of that with all of my credits and everything and the discount. And the total would be $111. Now, I don't think I'm going to be purchasing all 3 of these items, but it's nice to know that if I wanted to, I could at a discounted price, and you know, I can wear these for a couple of days or a week and then, you know, get my use out of them, put them back into the box, mail them back, and they'll send me 3 more pieces. So it's a way to try out lots of different jewelry, have different looks and trends without spending a lot of money, especially for, like, you know, fine real jewelry. Those prices can be up there. So, you know, maybe I want to try a starfish necklace just for summer, but I don't want to commit to it. That's why Rocksbox is really cool. So that is my Rocksbox for July. I'm definitely excited about all of these pieces. I think they're really beautiful. I'm excited to wear them for a couple of weeks and then send them back and, you know, maybe try out another set. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of Rocksbox. You think this is a cool concept? They have subscription services for absolutely everything these days, but this one just seems so fun and I wanted to give it a try, especially at $21. What did I have to lose, right? So, yeah, 3 pieces of jewelry I'm really excited to wear. These are all really dainty pieces. That's my style, but if you want more statement pieces of jewelry or something really fancy or exotic for, you know, a vacation or a wedding or whatever, they have that too. So check it out. Use my link down below. I'd appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new budgeting and lifestyle content here on my channel every single week. I'd love to have you come back, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!